Did you know that you can easily turn a party balloon into a piñata? Today I'm going to show you how. I absolutely love this hack. It's such a great way to give an old balloon a new life. Or if you already bought your party decorations, then you can just take one of the balloons from your party kit and turn it into a piñata. So it will perfectly match your party theme and you will not have to spend a lot. You will only need some party streamers. And did I already say how easy it is? Let me show you how. But first, here's what you're going to need. And that's it, we are done. How easy was that? You can leave it as it is, or if you're feeling super extra, you can also add a super cute little tassel. Let me show you how. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And now you know, next time you see a sad deflated balloon, don't throw it out. Turn it into a piñata instead. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you for the next one.